Most people don't actually love themselves, they just say they do. So how do you build self-esteem? Here's a simple step-by-step instruction. Love is a verb. Love is an action. Think about what you do when you love another person. Let's make a list. First, you protect them. You protect them from other people's attacks. You protect them from harm, from anything that could hurt them. So now start protecting yourself. Protect your boundaries. Sit down and decide exactly how you want to be treated and how you don't want to be treated. What people are allowed to do around you and what they are not allowed to do around you. Write it down if you have to. And once you've decided, do not back down. Not for your parents, for your partner or your children, not for anyone. Second, you take care of people you love, so start taking care of yourself. Take care of your health, go treat your medical problems, start living a healthier lifestyle. A little exercise, a few walks, better sleep, better food. These things are critically important. And don't forget your mental health. Stop drowning yourself in bad news. Stop consuming negativity all day. Stay away from toxic and aggressive people. Remove people who constantly criticize you. Keep your distance. Third, you spoil people you love. So spoil yourself a little bit. Buy yourself a thing you wanted for years and never allowed yourself to have. You want something expensive? Go buy it. Give yourself a gift. Book the spa treatment. Take yourself somewhere nice. Try to experience you've always wanted to try. Because if it were someone you loved, you'd happily give them those things. So why not give them to yourself? Fourth, you admire people you love. You enjoy looking at them. You think they are beautiful, right? So improve your appearance until you enjoy looking at yourself too. The entire beauty and fashion industry is at your service. Use it. I want you looking in the mirror and being blown away by how fucking amazing you look. Fifth, accept yourself. When you love someone, you don't spend all day criticizing them. You accept them, flaws and all. So stop attacking yourself. Stop treating every your mistake like a crime. We are human, we're supposed to make mistakes. We are here to learn. Everybody has flaws. Even the people you love have flaws. And you still love them. So love your flaws too. They are yours. They make you unique. And you deserve acceptance too. Perfect people do not exist. And somehow imperfect people still manage to love themselves. You can too. Sixth, if you still don't understand how to do any of this, surround yourself with people who like you. They will show you that you can be loved with your flaws. Surround yourself with people who do all these things I just listed. People who support you, who protect you, people who care about you and who help you. Cut everyone else off. Make space around you. Better people will eventually fill that space. Let people praise you and support you. Let people help you. And finally, develop yourself. Learn. Build things that matter to you. Because in order to value yourself, there has to be something you personally value. Your health, your loved ones, your appearance, your pets, your career, your hobbies, your passions. Invest time into those things. Value them, protect them, take care of them. That's how you become more valuable even in your own eyes. Every single thing I just described teaches your brain how to love. Start by loving yourself under these conditions. At least love yourself enough to do these things. We'll worry about unconditional self-love later. And remember, self-love is a choice. It's choosing the best available option for yourself every single time, no matter what other people think. For example, if you want a relationship, choose the man who would make the best husband and the best father for the kids, not the man who gives you butterflies. The best option. If you want the best job, choose the one with the best schedule, the best environment, the best pay, the best quality of life, not the one your parents approve of, not the one that sounds impressive, the one that's best for you. And yes, this all takes effort. You don't build self-love just thinking about it. You build self-love by doing it every single day.